Hello all, welcome to our channel. First of all, any particular website, these pages will be not indexed. Our pages will be indexed. How to checking on your particular website? That is called website Google Search Console option. Go to Google Search Console. There is an option name is called pages here. We have not index will be 435, index will be 482. And here, all submitted pages. 240 will be indexed, 260 will be not indexed. Which is a page will be not indexed? Select option here. Click this feature. This option will be called valid fix. So they will be fix your complete pages will be valid. This will be what are the tags will be created. The page will be designed your properly will be here. So after that, second option, discover currently not indexed. What is that URL will be here? First of all, URL is working or not. First of all, check it out. The URL will be not work. If it is working the URL, we have to click for this inspect URL. Or else, we have another option name is called valid to fix it. This is all option we have to do it on your particular page indexing purpose. And we go back here. Crawl currently not indexed. Click here. We can check it out your particular pages and open it. The page was open. What we can call, we can click for individual index each and every page, or else we have another option is called validate to fix. So they will be clicking this particular option. They can fix by your here. And we can, time is there. We can click for index on your particular page. So what are the page you have everything? Click for requesting to index. It will take 1 or 2 minutes time. After finishing this section, we can click for text live option. This is a completely manual method. Previous one, valid to fix, is a one single step. We can finish it your particular pages. So here, now I'm checking will be in this, which is the problem is already called, but is not indexed. The pages will be submitting on your Google Search Console option. Got it? Click for text live URL. Once it is done, after index, this page you can refreshing for Control F5. We can click for minimum 3 to 5 times. The Control F5 refreshing is compulsory mandatory in particular page. So when it is in scrolling will be page and another time will be refresh it. So those will be process compulsory mandatory. We have to text and submit the URL one by one itself. This is a compulsory mandatory field each and every website to call your web page purpose. So I can go to pages, submit all pages. Once again, I can check the last one, crawl, currently not index. Click here, already is done. So which is not done, you can check it out here. This is done here. Duplicate, Google choose different, canonical then URL. Now click here. What are those steps are here? Page is working, not working. What we can do this? Option simple, click for validate to fix. The validate to fix will be here. The compulsory will be fix the your URL will be on Google Search Console option. So patience is required to index the all pages on your particular website. So based on the backlinks, the index pages will be going on to will be click the particular option. So if any further question on Google index or page index issues, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.